Okay, this lesson is written by Jules Verne. Okay, and the story is adapted from 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, and it's by Jules Verne. Okay, so see chasing the sea monster. This story is adapted from the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Okay, from this book, from this novel, and which is written by Jules Verne. Okay, now see here, Jules Verne was a French writer. Okay, he is known as the father of science fiction. He wrote about rockets, space, travel, and submarine. Okay, when such things were unknown, in this passage from his novel 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, he described how people on ship think of the submarine as an animal and try to chase and hunt it. Okay, so see, this is the story chasing the sea monster, and yes, our frigate wanted to go back. Frigate means small ship. Okay, our frigate wanted to go back, but an unearthly animal came at us with a speed double our own. Okay, so they want to go back, but at the same time, what happened? And unearthly means what? Strange animal. Okay, so the animal which do not found on earth. Okay, so unearthly animal came at us, means came at them. Okay, with the double speed. Okay, with the double speed than frigate or ship. We gasped. Okay, more stunned than afraid. We stood mute and motionless. Okay, so what happened when they saw that animal? Okay, so animal like something, they when they saw, okay, at the time they stunned, they shocked. Okay, then afraid, and they stood mute and motionless. Okay, the animal cut up the animal caught up with us, played with us. It made a full circle around the frigate and wrapped us in a sheet of electricity that were like luminous dust. Okay, so what they thought, that when they saw the animal, okay, near the frigate, so at that time what they thought, the animal caught them. Okay, the animal was playing with them. Okay, it made a full circle around the frigate. Okay, and that animal wrapped them in the sheet of electricity, and everywhere they can see like the luminous dust. Okay, means bright. Okay, full of light. At any instant it could have dashed against our ship. Okay, means they thought that yes, within a moment, okay, it will dash our ship. Okay, so meanwhile, on the other hand, I was surprised to see that our warship was fleeing, not fighting. I commented on this to Commander Farragut. His face, ordinarily so emotionless, showed great astonishment. Okay, see here. Here the story is started with the I. I was surprised. Means someone is narrating the story. So who is the narrator of the story? Who is narrating the story? That Professor Aronnax. Okay, he is narrating story and he is telling that I was surprised. Okay, means our ship was fighting. Okay, so means running away. It was fighting. Okay, so I commented on, means Professor Aronnax commented to Commander Farragut. His face means ordinarily his face looks emotionless. Okay, and showed great astonishment. Okay, so see here, Professor Aronnax answered me, I don't know what kind of fearsome creature. Okay, so see, when he commented to the Professor Aronnax, then Professor Aronnax answered him. Okay, when Professor Aronnax to the commander, yes, Professor Aronnax got the answer from the commander. Okay, so see, Professor Aronnax, I don't know what kind of fearsome creature. Okay, what kind of fearsome means scary. Okay, frightening creature means animal I am against. Means I don't what kind of animals I am standing against. Okay, I don't want my frigate taking foolish risk in all this darkness. Means he don't want to take any risk in darkness of night. Not want to take any risk at that time. Okay, now see, besides, how should we attack this unknown creature? How should we defend ourselves against it? Let us wait for daylight and then we will play a different role. Okay, so they both discussed. Okay, they both discussed and they thought that yes, thought that how should they attack to this unknown creature. Okay, how should they defend against it, and they just wait for the daylight. Okay, and then they will play a different role. Means whatever they have to do. Okay, they will decide after the daylight. Okay, now see, the whole crew stayed on their feet all night long. Means all crew was alive. Okay, they didn't sleep at that night. Okay, no one even thought of sleeping. Unable to compete with the monster speed. That speed of that monster means that unearthly animal was very. It was very speedy. Okay, our frigate, the Abraham Lincoln, slowed down. Okay, means the speed of the Abraham Lincoln, that frigate, was slower down than the monster speed. Okay, for its part, the animal mimicked the frigate. Means what they thought the that animal. Okay, whatever they have thought that unearthly animal. Okay, it was mimicked. Mimic means copied the frigate. Okay, they thought that that animal copied the frigate, simply rode with the waves. Okay, but did not leave the field of battle. Okay, means that animal also copied, it's mimicked the frigate, but that animal did not leave the field of battle. Means he did not leave that space. Okay, he was there where the frigate was. Okay, so see next, however, near midnight it disappeared, or to use a more appropriate expression, it went out like a huge glowworm. Okay, however, near midnight means at the time of midnight. Okay, or to use a more appropriate expressions. Okay, when yes, at the time of midnight, or when they have to take any action. Appropriate expression means when they have to take any action. At the same time, it was, yes, that animal disappeared like a huge glower. Huge glower means what? Insect that emits light. Okay, in the night, that is glowworm. Glowworm. Okay, so that animal in near midnight, when they decided or they tried to take any action. Okay, try to show any expressions, at the time the animal disappeared. Okay, so what they had it fled from us, we didn't know, and were filled with fear and hope at the same time. But at 12:53, a deafening hiss could be heard, resembling the sound made by a water spout expelled with the tremendous intensity. So yes, what when they have when they decided to take, yes, when they decided to take any action, when they decided to express. Okay, so at the time that animal disappeared. Okay, but after some time, means on 12:53, means near 1 o'clock, they heard sound. Okay, they heard a sound. Okay, and it's made by a water spout expelled with a tremendous intensity. Okay, means they yes, they heard a sound, and the intensity. Okay, the sound's intensity was very tremendous. Okay, means they heard a very intensive sound by the by water. Okay, so by then Commander Farragut, Ned Land, and Professor Aronnax. I means here Professor Aronnax. Okay, see here, then by Commander Farragut, Ned Land, and I means who won here? Professor Aronnax were on the after deck. After deck means see here at the last there is a picture of ship. See here, yeah, it's after deck. Okay, it's a after deck. Okay, so after some time, okay, Commander Farragut, Ned Land, okay, then Professor Aronnax were on the after deck. Okay, yes, peering eagerly into the darkness. Peering eagerly means what? Looking for. Okay, they Commander Farragut, Ned Land, and Professor Aronnax were looking very eagerly into the darkness from the after deck. Then tell me, Ned Land, isn't that the noise cetaceans make when they spurt water from the blowholes? Okay, so see here. Tell me, Ned Land. So Commander yes asked to the Ned Land that isn't that the noise cetaceans make when they spurt water from their blowholes? Blowholes means what? Nostrils. Okay, nostrils of whale or dolphin. So he asked to the Ned Land that it is the noise of the cetaceans when they when they spurt water from the blow hole. Spurt means sudden or short burst of water. Okay, so when any kind of fish means like cetaceans, okay, they make the they yes, cetaceans make when they spurt water, means when they burst water. At that time, yes, we can hear the sound like that. Okay, he asked to the Ned Land. Okay, the very noise, sir, but this one way louder. Okay, the very noise, sir, but this one way louder. There can be no mistake. There is definitely a whale lurking in our water. Okay, so see here by hearing that sound. Okay, they said that yes, the noise is very louder. Okay, yes, it may be. Okay, maybe not. Yeah, whale or dolphin. Yes, they just spurt. Yes, they spurt water from their blowholes. Okay, so it may be. Okay, so the very noise means the noise is like that. Okay, but it's yes, but the noise is very louder. And he told that definitely there is a whale lurking. Lurking means what? Hiding in the in water. Okay, so he told yes, he told further that definitely a there will be a whale who is hiding in our water. Okay, near 2 o'clock. Now see, this is the time near about 2 o'clock in the morning. The core of light reappeared 5 miles away from the Abraham Lincoln. Okay, so see, after some time, means near about 2 o'clock in the morning, the core of light reappeared, means they saw some light. Okay, 5 miles away from the Abraham Lincoln. Okay, means Abraham Lincoln is the name of that frigate. We stayed on the alert until daylight, getting ready for action. Whaling gear was set up along the railings. Our chief officer loaded the blunder blunderbusses, blunderbusses, which can launch harpoons as far as a mile long. The guns with exploding bullets that can wound and kill even the most powerful animal. Ned Land was content to sharpen his harpoon, a dreadful weapon in his hand. Okay, so what happened here 2 o'clock? Okay, when they saw such a kind of light, okay, when yes, the core of light reappeared, okay, 5 miles away from that frigate Abraham Lincoln. Okay, so they stay alert. Okay, they stayed alert until the daylight. Okay, they were ready with their action. Okay, they whaling gear. Okay, then they loaded blunderbusses. Okay, yes, they also they also launched their harpoon. Okay, they also take their duck guns. Okay, they also, yes, means they just ready with their actions. Okay, whaling gear. Whaling gear means what? Yes, it's also a kind of a gun. Okay, we can say it's also a kind of gun. Okay, then blunderbusses is also a kind of gun. Okay, then harpoon. Harpoon means what? Missiles. uh, yes, missiles attached to the rope, that is harpoon. Okay, so see here, they were, means all are ready with their action when gear was set up along the railings. Then chief officer loaded the blunderbusses. Okay, means their large caliber of gun. Okay, they loaded that, and which can launch harpoon. Okay, that blunderbusses launched the harpoons. Harpoons means what? Missiles. Okay, missiles attached to the rope as far as mile, and long duck guns with exploding bullets. Okay, and one kind of gun with a long barrel. Yes, duck gun means what? A kind of gun with long barrel. Okay, they also yes, loaded that gun with a bullet, and that can wound. Okay, that duck gun can wound and kill even the most powerful animal. Okay, means they all ready with their actions. Ned Land was content to sharpen his harpoon. Okay, he just it is a kind yes, it is a kind of weapon, and he sharpened his weapon, a dreadful weapon in his hand. Okay, now see, after some time, what happened means the time of 6 o'clock. Okay, near about 6 o'clock, they began to break. And with the dawn's early light, the animal's electric glow disappeared. So, and now it is a time of morning. Okay, and now it's 6 o'clock, and you know that you can see some kind of light. Okay, early in the morning. So at that time, what happened? The animal's electric glow. Okay, that animal's luminous dust, it's a disappeared again. Okay? And at 7 o'clock, a very dense morning mist spread around us. Okay, so you know that when we yes, when we wake up in the morning, at that time we can also see the mist spread around us. So they also saw that at 7 o'clock. Okay, a very dense morning mist spread around us, and our best spy assassins were unable to pierce it. Okay, means they were unable to see that animal because of the mist. Okay, the outcomes disappointment and anger. Why? Because they were unable to see that animal. Okay, they were unable to use that spy glasses to see the animals, to peer the animal, to catch the animal. Okay, at 8 o'clock, the mist rolled away. Okay, means mist disappeared, and the horizon grew wider and clearer. Okay, means whatever their point, so it was wider and clearer. Suddenly, Ned Land's voice could be heard. There is a thing in question as turned to port. The harpoon, yes, the harpooner shouted. So every eye looked towards the point indicated. Okay, so see what happened. Yes, at the 8 o'clock when the mist rolled away. Okay, mist also disappeared. At the same time, Ned Land's voice could be heard. Okay, means they heard the voice of the Ned Lands. Okay, there is the which voice they heard, that there is the thing in question asked to port. Okay, means there is something. Okay, the harpooner shouted. Every eye looked towards the point whatever he indicated. Now see what they saw. Yes, there are mile and a half from the frigate. Okay, means yes, from some distance, a long blackish body emerged a meter above the waves. Yes, clearing violently, its tail was creating a considerable current. Okay, so see, yes, when Ned Land he shouted. Yes, Ned Land. Yes, Ned Land heard something that Harpooner shouted. Okay, and he is showing some point. Okay, so see at that point, what they saw that a blackish body. Yes, blackish body emerged in that water. Okay, and emerged a meter above the waves. It's go and come down in the waves. Okay, quivering violently, its tail was creating a considerable current. Okay, so they say they look something in that water. Okay, they look a body emerged in a meter above the waves in that water. Okay, so the crew were waiting impatiently for orders from their leader. Okay, means all the person from the crew, all the person from the ship. Okay, crew means what, the people who working on ship. Okay, so crew, they were waiting for the orders from their leader. Okay, the latter, after carefully observing the animal, ordered the engineer to sail full steam towards the animal. Okay, so after some time, what happened? Yes, they were waiting. The crew were waiting to the orders of their leader. But yes, after some time, okay, so after some time, yes, observing the animal ordered the engineer to sail full stream. So after some time, what happened? The engineer, he ordered that observing that animal or carefully observing to the animal. Okay, he ordered the engineer ordered that to sail full stream towards the animal. Okay, means we will pursue that animal. Okay, so three cheers greeted this order. Yes, the horn of battle had sounded. Okay, means they started journey with that animal. Okay, they pursued that animal. Now see, a few moments later. Okay, a few moments later, the Abraham Lincoln headed straight for the animal. Means the yes, that animal. Yes, they just means Abraham Lincoln was back to that animal. Okay, they pursuing that animal. Okay, so unconcerned, the latter let us come nearer. It got up a little speed and kept us distance. Okay, when the frigate come to that animal, okay, so that animal got up little speed and it's kept some distance. Okay, and it's create some distance in the animal and frigate. Okay, so this chase dragged on for about 3/4 of an hour without the frigate getting any closer to that sea animal. Okay, so when yes, then when frigate try to uh, try to go near the animal, at that time the animal creates some distance by increasing his speed. Okay, so they chase that animal 3/4 part of an hour. Okay, 3/4 um, an hour, quarter of an hour, 1/4 of an hour. Okay, and 3/4 means yes, 3/4 of an hour. Okay, so this went for the next hour. The Abraham Lincoln was now speeding so much that its mast trembled down to their blocks. Okay, means Abraham Lincoln was yes, with the speed it was chasing to that animal. Okay, so at that time what happened? Mast. Okay, so see what is mast here? It's fallen down. See here, mast. Okay, and suddenly it's fallen down because of the high speed of the frigate. Okay, so see here, Abraham Lincoln gathered speed, but so did the animal. This went on for the next hour, and Abraham Lincoln was now speeding. Okay, it's also Abraham Lincoln was in also speeding. Okay, and that yes, that's why yes, mast trembled down to their blocks. Okay, and mast means that upright pole on a ship, tall or upright pole on a ship, it's trembled down. It trembled down to that block. Okay, what a chase! No, I can't describe the excitement that shook my very being. Ned Land stayed at his post, harpoon in hand. And several times the animal let us approach. Then, just as the harpooner was about to strike, the cetacean would steal off swiftly. Swiftly means move away. Okay, so see here what happened when they were chasing to that animal. So at that time, it's yes. So here, no, I can't describe the excitement that shook my very being. And Ned Land stayed at his first harpoon in hand. Okay, means he just stand with the harpoon in his hand. And several times the animal let us approach. Yes, means several times they reach to near the animal. Okay, then just as the harpooner was about to strike, the cetaceans would steal off swiftly. Okay, so when they just try to near that animal, at that time, just yes, the animal also move away swiftly from the frigate. Okay, Commander Farragut then decided to use more direct method. Okay, so see here, he said, so that animal is faster than the Abraham Lincoln. All right, mate man the gun in bow. Mate means assistant. Okay, so he told to the assistant that man, yes, all right, mate, man the gun in the bow means we will try now gun. Okay, so see speed of the animal, it was very speedy. Okay, so this they decided direct method. So yes, now they decided to shoot by gun. Now see forecastle. Forecastle means it's also the upright part of the disc. Okay, our forecastle cannon was immediately loaded and leveled. Okay, the cannoneer fired a shot, but his shell passed some feet above the cetaceans, which stayed half a mile off. Okay, means they tried their gun. They tried, fired a shot. Okay, but his shell passed some feet above the cetaceans. Okay, now over to somebody with better aim. The commander shouted, and yes, and $500 to the man who can pierce that infernal beast. Okay, so what happened means no one can shoot properly. Okay, no one can shoot properly. So commander shouted. Okay, and he announced that $500 to the man who can pierce that infernal beast, who can shoot that animal. Okay, so he announced $500 to the man who will shoot that animal. Okay, so see here after some times what happened. Okay, calm of eye, cool feature, an old gray bearded gunner. Yes, I can see him to this day approach the cannon, put in the position, okay, and took aim for a good while. There was a mighty explosion mingled with cheers from the crew. Okay, so one man, okay, one calm eyes man, cool feature, and old gray bearded gunner. Okay, so he just moved, he come forward to shoot that animal. He took his position, he took aim forward while, okay, and there was a mighty explosion mingled with the cheers from the crew. Okay, so see here, the shell reached its target. It hit the animal but bounced off its rounded surface and vanished into sea 2 miles out. Okay, so what happened? That bearded man took his position to shoot that animal. Okay, and he shoot also, and he hit that animal but bounced off its rounded surface and vanished into the sea 2 miles out. Now, oh drat, said the old gunner in his anger, that monster must be covered with the 6-inch armor plate. Okay, so see, armor means what here? Armor means protective metal covering. Okay, so what happened when he shoot? Okay, so when he shoot, but the surface bounced. Okay, and the gunner said that the monster, that animal, must be covered with the 6-inch armor plate, means protecting metal. Okay, he said. Now the hunt was on begin. Again, again they started the hunting. Hour after hour went by without the animal showing the least sign of weariness. However, it must be said that we to struggle on lanes. Yes, they started their hunting again, and yes, they show yes. Uh, Hour after hour went by without the animal showing the least sign of weariness. However, it must be said that we to struggle on tirelessly. Okay, means that animal was not showing the tiredness. Okay, and the yes, the commander tired. Okay, so see, at 10:50 in the evening, that electric light reappeared 3 miles away from the frigate, just as clear an instance as the night before. Okay, so at 10:50, okay, near about 10:50 in the evening, that electric light reappeared 3 miles away from the frigate. It was clear and intense as the night before. So see, the monster seemed days. Was it asleep perhaps? Weary from its workday, just riding with the waves. This was our chance, and Commander Farragut decided to take full advantage for it. He gave his order. Okay, so see, at that time what they what they saw, that the monster, that animal seemed motionless. Okay, and they thought that it maybe it isn't was it asleep, perhaps weary from its work day, just riding with the waves. Okay, so see, they understood that is a great chance to shoot the animal to take the full advantage, and he gave the orders again. Okay, now the frigate approached without making a sound, stopped to cable lengths from the animal. Okay, means that frigate, yes, it's reached to the animal. Okay, a profound without any sound. Okay, a profound silence regained over the deck. We were not 100 feet from the blazing core of light, whose glows grew stronger and dazzled the eyes. Means they reached too near that animal. Okay, just then, learning over the forecastle railing, I saw Ned Land below me, and brandishing his dreadful harpoon. Barely 20 feet separated him from and he heard the weapon rings out as if it had hit some hard substances. The electric line suddenly went off, and the frigate, rising like a torrent from one end of the ship to the other, toppling crews, breaking spare masts and yardarms from their lashings, and hideous collision occurred, and threw over the rail with the time had hold of it. He was hurled into the sea. Means he was thrown out into the sea. So what happened that commander gave order. Okay, commander gave order to shoot that animal again, and that frigate reached to the it's reached to that animal without making any voice. Means near about 100 feet. Okay, they just we were not 100 feet from the blazing core of light, whose glow grew stronger and dazzled the eyes. Okay, means they reached near that animal just then, learning over the forecastle railing. Okay, forecastle means the upper part of the deck. Okay, I saw Ned Land, means he saw that Ned Land below him, and brandishing his dreadful harpoon. Okay, means he is using his harpoon, a missile which attached to the rope. Okay, and they saw that the animal is motionless. less. Okay, all at once that arms shot forward and the harpoon was launched. Okay, means they launched that harpoon to shoot the animal, and he heard the weapon make a ringing sound as if it had hit some hard substances. Okay, and the electric light suddenly went out, and two enormous water spouts crashed into the deck of the frigate. Okay, means what happened at that when they shoot, okay, with their weapon. Okay, so electric light suddenly went up and two enormous water spouts crashed onto the deck. Okay, and yes, what happened after that? That hideous, yes, hideous, very ugly, very ugly collision occurred, and yes, yes, commander fell into the sea. Means he threw with the force in the sea. Okay, so this is the story chasing the monster. Okay, chasing the sea monster. Beginning of the story, the monster tried to challenge the warship, which made people on ship stay up all night. Okay, they set up the welling gear to the deal with it. Okay, you know that they set up welling gear, some kind of duck guns. Okay, they chased the animal but found it difficult to match its speed because the animal was very speedy. Okay, after multiple failed attempts to defeat the monster, Ned Land finally launched the harpoon. Okay, that missile. Okay, the harpoon made a ringing sound as it hit a hard surface, and the attack resulted in an ugly clash between the submarine and the warship. Okay, so see, due to this clash, water spouts crashed into the ship and destroy it. Means they yes, the ship destroyed, and few members lost their balance, and their professor got thrown into the sea. Okay, so this is the lesson chasing the sea monster.